Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this quick tutorial I will show you guys exactly how you can buy and sell Solana meme coins as easy and as quick as possible. So I've already made a video about this just 8 months ago, but a lot has changed basically in the last couple of months, and of course with meme coins now finally doing extremely good again, more and more people want to start getting into meme coins and trading Solana meme coins. So in this video I will show you guys step by step in as quick as possible on how you can actually do this. So the very first thing you need to do is grab yourself a crypto exchange. It doesn't matter which one, maybe you already have one, because with this crypto exchange we need to buy some Solana. The one I'm using is Blowfin, but you can literally use whatever you want. I will leave a link in the description box for Blowfin. Alright, once you're in your asset manager basically, all we're going to do is of course click on spot, because we need to buy some Solana. Now, there could be a chance that you still don't have any money basically on your crypto exchange. What you then need to do is simply click on buy crypto and you'll be able to deposit fiat into crypto basically. But if you already have some USDT or some Bitcoin, you can of course just transfer a Bitcoin or USDT into Solana. Because we need to buy some Solana because that's the currency we're going to use in order to actually trade meme coins. So I'm just going to buy here, let's say we're going to just put all my $54 I have into Solana. I'm going to click on confirm, and that's literally all you need to do. Now if I go here to overview and then I go into my spot wallet just like this, you will notice that I now have 0.24 Solana worth $54, which we of course just bought. Now literally all we have to do is grab ourselves a crypto, basically a Solana meme coin trading exchange, and we're good to go in order to trade. Now you have a couple ones out there, you have Radium and Jupiter, which are actually crypto exchanges made for Solana. However, I would recommend actually just grabbing yourself a Telegram trading bot. It is basically the same as Radium and Jupiter, it just allows you to trade Solana meme coins, but then on Telegram. Now the cool thing about this is that it's much faster than these exchanges, plus it's much easier to use. Over I don't know, this shit has like 200,000 users, it's completely legit, you can research it yourself. But yeah, this is a Telegram trading bot. It may look a little bit confusing in the beginning, but trust me, it's much easier than something like Jupiter, for example. And the most important thing, of course, it's just much faster than Jupiter. So yeah, basically all we need to do in order to get ourselves to this screen is going to the first link in the description. We're going to use Trojan, it's a Telegram trading bot. I'll also have it linked in my YouTube bio, but it's the first link in the description. All you're going to do is click on it and it will bring you to this. Just click on open Telegram and it will automatically start the bot up for you. If not, just type /start or click on start and the bot will be started. And what you will notice, it will automatically create a wallet for you. And this is your own personal wallet. And basically, we can immediately start trading. We have buy, sell, and that's all we need in order to start trading. You also have some other features, but we're not going to use those. But yeah, the only problem we're having right now is that we simply don't have any Solana on this bot. So we will not be able to make any trades, of course. So what we're simply going to do is fund this wallet with some Solana. To do this, just click on tap to copy, but you can also just copy it just like this, Command C or Control C. You can copy your wallet, and all you need to do is then go to your crypto exchange where you just bought that Solana, go to overview, and we are simply going to withdraw that Solana we just bought. So click on withdraw. We're going to withdraw Solana, your wallet address. Of course, your exchange needs to be Solana mainnet. And all we need to do then is just let me quickly transfer all of the funds to my wallet so I can actually withdraw them. And voila, we now have 0.3 Solana I can withdraw to this bot. So we can already see I have 1.9 Solana on this wallet already, but if I send this basically to this wallet, you will notice it will turn into like 2.3 or something. So let me quickly do that, and once I've done that, I will be back to you guys. Alright, so I'm back again. Now I've actually not withdrawn my funds simply because if I want to withdraw, I need to type in all of these verifications, and I currently don't have them with me, and I just wanted to make this video as quick as possible. But yeah, trust me, once you click on withdraw, it will basically show up here in your wallet, it will update the balance, and that's literally all you need to do. Yeah, then you can start trading. Now for the people that don't believe that this Telegram Trojan bot or this Telegram trading bot actually works, we have right here, these are all of the stats for this bot. This bot is literally doing over, we can see it right here, more than 30 million in volume, 60, 50, 60, and it has 27,000 users in the last 24 hours, so it's completely legit. So I would definitely recommend using this. And yeah, basically once you have some Solana here on your wallet, what you can do is click on buy. Then you can literally type in any contract address you want or any ticker. For example, I want to buy dog with head, just like that. And yeah, it will simply just let me buy this just like that. All I then have to do is type in how much Solana I want to buy. So let me just, for an example, let me buy 0.01 Solana of this coin called dog with head, which will give me 0.72 tokens. Then I click on view tokens and voila, I just bought the coin, and that's literally it. To sell it, click on sell 100% and it's that freaking easy. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to start trading. It's so freaking easy to use a Telegram trading bot. So go check it out. It's the first link in the description below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this tutorial. If you did, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial video.